Ready to launch a new website but stuck on picking the perfect domain name? Don't worry, I got you covered. Hi everyone, I'm Jade from Rapyd, the high-performance hosting provider your website deserves. Today we're diving into how to pick the perfect domain name for your website. Let's get started. First things first, keep your domain name short, snappy, and sticky. A shorter name is easier to remember and quicker to type, which is crucial for user experience. Aim for something that's easy to pronounce and spell, so visitors can effortlessly share it with others. Think of brands like Google, Facebook, or Twitter. Short and unforgettable. Next, avoid hyphens and numerical characters in your domain name. Hyphens can be confusing and easy to forget, while numbers can cause misunderstandings. Is it 5 or 5? Stick to letters to keep things simple and professional. Next up, Prioritise .com extensions. .com is the most recognized and trusted domain extension worldwide. While other extensions are available, .com domains are easier for people to remember and trust, making them the go-to choice for most businesses. But if a .com domain is not an option for a site owner because of cost or unavailability, there are several strong alternatives to consider. For example, .net is a well-recognized and widely accepted alternative to .com. It's often used by tech and networking companies. It stands for network, making it suitable for internet-based businesses and services. If you have a non-profit organization, .org can also be a good alternative for you. .io is increasingly popular among tech startups, particularly in the software and app development sectors. .io stands for the British Indian Ocean Territory, but it's often associated with input and output in tech circles. Each of these alternatives can effectively serve different purposes and target audiences, providing flexibility in establishing a strong online presence when a .com domain is not feasible. Incorporate relevant SEO keywords into your domain name. This can boost your search engine rankings and make it clear what your site is about. For example, if you run a bakery, a domain like bestbakery.com can be very effective. Good examples of effective SEO domains are healthline.com or tripadvisor.com or investopedia.com. Next, if you're stuck or out of ideas, using a domain name generator might be a good call. Tools like Namecheap, LeanDomainSearch, or Bust a Name can help spark ideas by mixing keywords and suggesting available domains. These tools can save you a lot of time and help you find the perfect name. A good domain name is essential for establishing a strong online presence, but it's only part of the equation. To truly maximize the potential of your website, it must be paired with a reliable and high-performance hosting provider. Rapyd Cloud offers robust, fast, and secure hosting solutions that ensure your websites run smoothly and efficiently, providing a seamless user experience. With rapid load times and minimal downtime, your visitors will stay engaged and search engines will rank your site higher, enhancing your SEO efforts. By choosing Rapyd, you're investing in the performance and success of your website. Finally, do your homework before settling on a domain name. Check for trademarks, ensure the name isn't already in use, and verify the availability on social media platforms. The last thing you want is legal issues or brand confusion. Picking the perfect domain name is a crucial step in building your online presence. Follow these tips and you'll be well on your way to a memorable and effective domain. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching and happy domain hunting!